Okay, so about 2 or 3 years ago, I made this video called "Cutest Baby in the World," and I this video was like 3 or 2 years ago, and I expected no one to come back to it. But I got on YouTube and I looked at my notifications, and someone left a comment saying, "That's an opinion," and this video was 3 years ago, and I've been sitting here wheezing and laughing about this. No offense, but like, come on, go watch my other videos and make fun of those, please. Thank you for 1,000. Please, thank you guys so much.